Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about the upcoming launch of the Oppo Find X2 series. So this Oppo Find X2 series is going to be launching in India on coming June 17th. This Oppo Find X2 series comes in two models. The one is Oppo Find X2 and then Oppo Find X2 Pro model. So firstly we are going to talk about the Oppo Find X2 Pro model. This Oppo Find X2 Pro model is designed in two colors. One is black, which is built on ceramic material, and then orange color, which is built on leather material. So the black ceramic model comes with 8.8 mm of thickness and having a 217 gram of overall weight. And then orange leather model comes with 9.5 mm of thickness and a 200 gram of overall weight. So the orange leather model comes with less weight compared to the black ceramic material, and similarly the black ceramic material has less thickness compared to the orange leather model. Now in terms of display, this Oppo Find X2 Pro comes with 6.7-inch QHD plus display, and this display is based on an OLED panel. Also this display comes with a curved at the sides, sports with 120 Hz of screen refresh rate and having a more than 90% of screen to body ratio. Also this display certified with HDR10 plus and display matte A plus grade, and likewise this display has featured with video compensation. That means it converts under 30 fps video into a larger 60 fps and 120 fps video, so you can able to play a under 30 fps video also in a no lag and a smooth video experience. Then this Oppo Find X2 Pro has been designed in the punch-hole style display to house the front camera. The front camera is equipped with 32 megapixel with the f2.0 aperture, and it supports up to 1080p and 720p at 30 fps of video recording. On rear camera, it having a triple camera setup which has 48 megapixel of primary camera, which is based on Sony IMX689 sensor at f1.7 aperture, and in addition to that another 48 megapixel of ultra wide angle lens is equipped, which is based on Sony IMX586 sensor at f2.2 aperture. Also this ultra wide angle lens is also featured with ultra macro shooting, which supports up to 3 cm of focus point. And finally it has 13 megapixel of telephoto lens, and this telephoto lens comes with a periscopic type at f3.0 aperture, so it has 10x of hybrid zoom and up to 60x of digital zooming feature. Then in terms of rear camera, it supports up to 4K at 60 fps and 30 fps of video recording support. Then this Oppo Find X2 Pro is powered with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 octa-core processor, and it combined with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. The RAM and the storage variant comes with the latest standards, like it has a LPDDR5 RAM standard and UFS 3.1 of storage type. Then this Oppo Find X2 Pro runs on ColorOS 7.1 based on Android 10 operating system, and it powers with a 4260 mAh of battery with 65 watts of fast charging support. And in terms of connectivity, this Oppo Find X2 Pro supports single nano SIM, Bluetooth version 5.0, Wi-Fi version 6.0, NFC, and it's an 5G connectivity mobile. Also this Oppo Find X2 Pro model is supported with the IP68 of waterproof and splash proof. So these are all the specs and features of the upcoming launch of the Oppo Find X2 Pro model. Now let's switch on to the Oppo Find X2 model. So this Oppo Find X2 is the lighter version of the Oppo Find X2 Pro. So almost all specs and features is almost similar to the Oppo Find X2 Pro model in terms of display, battery, storage, processor and design, but it has few differences in the camera section. So let's talk about the Oppo Find X2 from its design. So this Oppo Find X2 model is designed in two colors. One is black, which is built on ceramic material as like the Oppo Find X2 Pro model, and then it comes with the ocean blue color. It is built on a glass body, and both the ceramic and the glass body comes with a 8.0 mm of thickness, and the black ceramic model comes with the 209 grams of overall weight, and the ocean blue glass model comes with the 192 gram of overall weight. So the ocean blue glass model comes with the light weight compared to the black ceramic model. Then in terms of display, as like Oppo Find X2 Pro, this also comes with 6.7-inch QHD plus display. The display is curved OLED panel at the sides, and it has 3K pixel resolution and 120 Hz of screen refresh rate, and this display is based on a punch-hole style design to house the front camera. The front camera has 32 megapixel at f2.0 equipped inside the punch hole design, and on the rear side here has come some of the changes. It has the 48 megapixel of primary camera, which is based on Sony IMX586 sensor, and this is the wide angle lens at f1.7 aperture, in addition to the 12 megapixel of ultra wide angle lens, which is based on Sony IMX708 sensor at f2.2 aperture. And also this ultra wide angle lens too supported with the macro vision, which supports up to 3 cm of focus point. And finally it has 13 megapixel of telephoto lens, and in this Oppo Find X2 model there is no support of periscopic type lens, so it supports up to 5x of hybrid zoom and 20x of digital zooming feature. Then in terms of processor, it has the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 octa-core processor, and combined with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. And then in terms of battery, it has 4200 mAh of battery, which is 60 mAh lesser than the Oppo Find X2 Pro, and it has supported with up to 65 watts of fast charging support. And in terms of connectivity, it has a single nano SIM, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.1, NFC, and it is also an 5G connectivity mobile. So these are all the specs and features of the Oppo Find X2 series. This is going to be launching in India on coming June 17th, and this Oppo Find X2 series is most promising device in my point of view, since it comes with the most admiring displays. The display is actually massive. It comes with the curved OLED panels as like a recent prototype design of the Oppo waterfall design, and then it equipped with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. It has a dual 48 megapixel, and the Find X2 Pro series has a periscopic telephoto lens which supports up to 60x of digital zoom, and it has 65 watts of fast charging support and has a standard battery of 4260 mAh of battery. So these are all the pros of this Oppo Find X2 series. So what do you guys think about this Oppo Find X2 series? Let me know in the comments below, and if you guys like this video, hit the like, and if you want to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.